Okay, now there was a few questions I need to discuss first. All right, let us go through with this. இப்போ வந்து let's read the question first. The yellow dancer dress on the stage will turn to the red if it's red light, but turn black when light blue is pointed. Explain why. Okay, so நம்ம ஏற்கனவே டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண மாதிரி yellow கலர் எப்படி வருதுன்னு நம்ம பார்க்கணும். ஓகே, மா beli mangkuk-mangkuk Hong Kong baru hari semalam. Okay, so இதான் வந்து அந்த secondary color. K for kuning lah. Kuning ni merah plus hijau. Okay, அப்ப நம்ம வந்து கூனிங் கலரில் வந்து மேரா அடிச்சோம்னா மேரா நம்மளுக்கு நம்ம கண்ணுக்கு தெரியுது. எஸ், வி கேன் சி பிகாஸ் கூனிங் உருவாகிறதுக்கு காரணம் மேரா. ஹீஜாவ் கலர் ஷைன் பண்ணிங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு ஹீஜாவ் கலர் காட்டும். ஆனால் பீரு கலர் ஷைன் பண்ணிங்கன்னா காட்டாது. ஏன்னா பீரு டசன்ட் ப்ரொடியூஸ் த எல்லோ கலர். ஓகே, ஒன்லி த ரெட் கலர் அண்ட் த க்ரீன் கலர் ப்ரொடியூஸ் த எல்லோ கலர். ஸோ நீங்கள் எல்லோ கலர் சட்டை போட்டிருக்கிற ஆள் மேலே சோப்பு கலர் லைட் அடிச்சிங்கன்னா சோப்பு கலராக தான் தெரிவாங்க. ஓகே, பிகாஸ் அந்த எல்லோ கலரில் வந்து ரெட் கலர் இஸ் ஒன் ஆஃப் த காம்பனன்ட். பட் ப்ளூ கலர் அடிச்சிங்கன்னா அது ப்ளூவாக தெரியாது. ஓகே, அது வந்து பிளாக் கலராக தெரியும். ஏன்னா ப்ளூ டசன்ட் ப்ரொடியூஸ் த yellow color light. Okay, that is the explanation for this. Okay, எத்தனை 2 marks okay, 2 marksல நம்ம சொல்லணும். Okay, we can tell this. First you tell first why red color shine பண்ணா red colorல இருக்கு. Okay, okay, red color is the primary color that produce yellow color red color is the primary color that produce yellow color. Hence the yellow dress, okay, hence the yellow color reflects red color into our eyes. Okay, so red color இருந்தா yellow வந்துச்சு. So yellow color என்ன பண்ணும்னா red color அது மேல shine பண்ண it reflect the red color into our eyes because yellow color contain the red color. Okay, however ரெண்டாவது வந்து நம்ம சொல்லணும் blue color does not produce yellow color. ஸோ அப்போ நீங்கள் ப்ளூ கலர் லைட் அடிச்சிங்கன்னா ஏன் வந்து பிளாக்காக தெரியுதுன்னா அந்த ப்ளூ கலர் ஆல் அப்சார்ப் பை த yellow கலர். ஓகேயா, ஸோ ஷாராட் டே macam ni இது yellow கலராக இருந்துச்சுன்னா ஓகே நீங்கள் முதல்ல பார்க்கணும் கலர் ரெட் கலர் yellow color is red color plus green color. Kalau kamu shine red color dia akan pantul balik. Okay, kalau kamu shine green color, example நான் பாருங்க green வச்சிருக்கேன், green color போட்டிங்கன்னா dia akan pantul balik. Kalau kamu pantul blue color, kalau kamu pantul blue color, this whole thing become black color because blue color being absorbed by the yellow color. Remember that. எந்த கலர் வந்து அதுக்கு மேட்சிங்காக இல்லையோ அதை அப்சார்ப் பண்ணிடும். ஓகே, blue color does not produce yellow color. Blue color does not produce yellow color. So when blue light shine on the yellow color, yellow dress lah, it absorb the blue color. It does not reflect but absorb. So அதனால தான் நம்மளுக்கு black கலராக தெரியும். ஓகே, எழுதிக்கிங்க guys முதல்ல. முடிச்சிட்டிங்கன்னா டான்ஸ் சொல்லுங்க.
Done, sir.
டன். ஓகே. வைஷ்ணவி? Vaishnavi? What's she doing? Okay, let's move on to the next question. Next question. Among the performance on the night of the night were puppet show by the members of cultural club. Okay, we can see ni kita cakap apa? Mak Yung. Okay. Pertunjukan wayang kulit lah yang ni kita cakap. Very famous in Kelantan, Terengganu. Okay, nowadays very less practice lah. This is one of our beloved Malaysian culture. This one. Okay, now based on the properties of the light, explain how the image is formed on the white cloth. Okay, so properties of light solno and explain how the image form. Okay, so property dia, okay, there are two properties uh, that we need to know. Okay, this one we already learned in our standard 5 science, right? Okay, first one, the light travels in a straight line. First thing, then light cannot pass through an opaque object. Okay, light travel in a straight line. Light cannot pass through an opaque object. Opaque object na like benda yang tak boleh ditembusi cahaya lah. Okay, so when இந்த ரெண்டு கேரக்டரிஸ்டிக்கும் சேர்த்து when a light travel in a straight line and hit an opaque object, comma, a shadow will form. Okay, these are the points. Okay, light travel in a straight line. Light cannot pass through an opaque object. When a light travel in a straight line and hit an opaque object, a shadow will form.
Done, sir.
Okay. Vaishnavi, what happened to her? Okay, come, we continue. Okay. Muis ran an experiment to obtain the relationship between the size of the shadow and the distance of light from the puppet. Okay, so distance from the light to the screen is constant. Okay, jadi yang ni kita tak payah tengok lah. Distance from the light to the puppet, when the distance is increasing, we can see the size of shadow decreasing. Okay, memanglah kalau kita letak cahaya, contoh kita letak satu apple dekat dengan cahaya, it will produce a big shadow. Okay, when you further away from the source of the light, the shadow size will be decreasing lah. Very convincing. Okay, now we must guess the answer. What is the predict the size of x and y? So what I can do, we know it is decreasing. Try to pick a value between 120 and 60. So get a midpoint. So 120 plus 60 divide 2. 180 divide by 2. I get 90. So it could be 90, okay, in my opinion. And then we know already decreasing 30, 30, 30 like that. Okay. So நம்ம கேர்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கணும். ஏன் தெரியுமா guys, இங்க 40, 60, 80, it's supposed to be 100 first, then only 120. See the trap they set for you. So minus 30, 90 minus 60, 60 minus 30 is 30. Then y should be 0, is it? Okay, maybe you get cannot put 0 centimeter lah. Maybe கொஞ்சம் சின்னதாவது இருக்கணும். Okay. So minus 30, minus 30, minus 30, 30 minus 30, don't put 0 lah. Put at least 10. Okay. Not like that. Arabi shadow இல்லாம இருக்காதுல்ல. So x equal to 90 centimeter, y equal to 10 centimeter.
Sir, sorry sir, just now I go washroom, that's why.
Okay. Alright, next, state the relationship between the distance of light from the object and the size of the shadow. Very simple. Distance of light from the object. Kita tengok distance of light from the object is increasing and size of the shadow decreasing. Just use the word. That's it. Very simple. Distance relationship ni macam hypothesis. Okay. So increase the distance of light from the object, comma, decrease the size of shadow. Samira, how was the exam? Science and maths?
Science okay sir, maths also okay. Can do
Okay.
all question.
Oh, okay, good. That's good. But they won't give you the mark all. They,
Mark they will give through online lah, like PDF file.
oh, but they won't return the paper lah.
Uh,
I
because
guess.
school already finished.
Yeah. Next week finish, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay. You update me your mark, Don't forget.
Okay sir.
Alright. Next பார்க்கலாம் guys. Okay, next பாருங்க. Next வந்து different-ஆன question. Okay. It's about sound wave, our form 2 topic. This one all ultrasound lah. Okay, let us see our sound wave question. This one very important when you naik form 4 nanti. Ini semua keluar untuk fizik lah. Okay. Diagram show satellite being used in determine the position of a plane. Frequency detected by satellite 1 differ from satellite 2. Of course, நம்ம இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு டயக்ராம் பார்த்துருக்கோம். ஓகே, இந்த இடம் பாருங்க க்ளோஸா இருக்கும். maksudnya இந்த இடம் வந்து frequency dia tinggi. இந்த இடம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா frequency dia ரெண்டா. இது வந்து நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? Doppler effect சொல்லுவாங்க. ஓகே, Doppler effect. Doppler effect வந்து எப்படின்னா, ஓகே, நான் ஒரு சிச்சுவேஷன் தரேன். let us know first what is a Doppler effect. Okay, let's say I am standing here. We have an ambulance. இந்த ambulance வந்து தூரமா வரும்போது lepas tu yang கிட்ட வரும்போது then after எட்ட போகும்போது again. ஸோ நம்ம கிட்ட வரும்போது மட்டும் அதோட ஃப்ரீக்வன்சி வந்து திங்கியா இருக்கும். அதான் ஃபாஸ்டா இருக்கும். அப்ப நம்மளை தாண்டி போயிருச்சுன்னா the frequency is lower already. Okay, இதான் Doppler effect னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Okay, this is what we call as a Doppler effect. Okay, so அதுதான் இங்கேயும் நடக்குது. இது ஏரோப்ளேன் பாருங்க, இந்த சைட்ல வந்து கோடுலாம் கிட்ட கிட்ட இருக்குல்ல. maksudnya இந்த இடத்துல frequency meningkat, betul, benda tu betul. Di sini frequency berkurang, betul. Decreasing frequency. Okay, ஸோ ambulance மட்டும் இல்லை, ஏரோப்ளேன் இப்படி போகும்போதும் அந்த மாதிரி தான். ஸோ அதை வச்சு எந்த இடத்துல எந்த சேட்டலைட்டில் வந்து ஃப்ரீக்வன்சி கூடயா இருக்கோ அந்த இடத்துக்கிட்ட தான் வந்து அந்த கப்பை இருக்குன்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். லைக் தட்லா லாஜிக்கலி. ஓகே, நேம் த ஃபெனோமெனா which caused the change in sound frequency detected by both satellite. Just told you it is the Doppler effect. Doppler effect. Okay, next question. State a reason why satellite 1 detecting an increasing sound frequency while satellite 2 detecting a decreasing sound frequency. ஏன் இங்க frequency வந்து high-ஆ இருக்கு, இங்க low-ஆ இருக்கு? That's the question. Why the frequency is high here, low at the other end? Because the aeroplane is approaching satellite 1 or nearing lah, come near to the satellite 1. That's why increasing frequency. Why at satellite 2 the frequency decrease? Because it moved away from the satellite 2. எது கிட்ட வருதோ அந்த இடத்துல frequency கூடயா இருக்க போகுது. வெரி சிம்பிளான ஆன்சர் நம்ம சொல்லிடலாம். ஓகே, ஸோ பிகாஸ் த ஏரோப்ளேன் approaching satellite 1, so the frequency maybe when the aeroplane approaching satellite 1, so the frequency increases while the aeroplane moves away from satellite 2, so the frequency decreases.
Done, sir.
Okay, let's move on to the next part. Next part, state a relationship between the sound frequency and distance from the distance of the planet. Sound frequency. Actually, the question was sound frequency. The question supposed to be state a relationship between kelangsingan bunyi means between the pitch of the sound. Change the question, pitch of the sound and the distance of plane from the satellite. Okay, sekarang walaupun dia tanya relationship between pitch of the sound and distance of plane, we cannot follow the order that question give us. Always when you want to want to write a relationship, always mention your manipulated variable first, then only your responding variable. Your manipulated variable will be distance of the planet from the satellite. Let's say the distance is nearer, so frequency meningkat, frequency higher. Tapi dia tak tanya tentang frequency, dia tanya tentang pitch. Okay, so we need to aware of when I tell high pitch, it means high frequency. Okay, high pitch means high frequency. So நம்ம முதல்ல நம்ம சொல்லணும், distance of the planet வந்து nearer-ஆ இருந்துச்சுன்னா frequency குறைவா இருக்கு, frequency tinggi. Okay, but don't mention the frequency high pitch. Like that. Okay, now we get the answer. Combine them. So You can use when then also can, or increase decrease like that also can. Okay, increase, we want nearer, right? Okay, nearer the distance of the plane from the satellite. Okay, nearer the distance of the plane from the satellite. So higher the frequency, but they never ask the high frequency means high pitch. So higher the pitch of the sound. Okay, pitch of the sound. Done.
Then, sir.
Okay. Does this change is detected by the plane borders? That means penumpang kapal terbang. No. ஓகே, நம்ம கீழேந்து பார்க்கணும் தெரியுமா, நம்மளுக்கு தான் தெரியும். அந்த அந்த என்னது அந்த கப்பை வந்து நம்மளை கிராஸ் பண்ணி போகும்போது and நம்ம கிட்ட வரும்போது நம்ம தான் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் பண்றோம். ஆனா பெனும்பாங் வந்து they are going with the plane. So how they know நான் கப்பை வந்து அவங்களுக்கு அவங்க கிட்ட வருதா இல்ல அவங்கள விட்டு போதான்னு? Because they themselves inside the kapal, how they going to realize the kapal is menghampiri mereka atau menjauhi mereka? Okay, that's my point. So no, as a only affecting the observer, not the penumpang inside the kapal terbang, not the passengers inside the aeroplane. So no, a big no. இதை எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ண சொல்லியிருந்தா கூட இப்போ நான் சொன்ன பாயிண்ட்ஸ் வச்சு நீங்கள் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணலாம். Okay, next question. Diagram show the formation of an echo. Okay, echo means the reflection of the sound. Okay, and we have a original sound and a hard surface here, and then we have a echo here. Okay, question. State where can echo happen in our daily life. Explain why echo can be heard repetitively. Okay, so முதல்ல வந்து அவங்க என்ன கேக்குறாங்கன்னா where an echo can be happen in our daily life. Maybe a newly moved house without any furniture, அங்க வந்து reflection கேட்கும், like in a cave surface or in a enclosed wall இருக்கிற ஒரு ஏரியால. Okay, அந்த மாதிரி இடம்லாம் கேட்கும். An empty building, inside an empty building, you can write these answers all. Inside an empty building. Okay, new house without furniture. Furniture, or near the cave. Actually near, like inside the cave, right? Hey. Furniture inside the cave. Okay, any one of the answer lah. Okay, now the next question. ஏன் வந்து அது repetitively கேட்டுக்கிட்டு இருக்கு நம்ம கிட்ட? Explain why the echo can be heard repetitively. Because the sound wave produced maybe reflected repeatedly. Okay, the sound wave produced reflected repetitively on the hard surface. So that's why we can hear the reflection repetitively. Sorry. Okay, next question. Okay, next we can see a sonar. இதான் சோனார்னுவாங்க. Okay. இந்த சோனார் டெக்னாலஜி எப்படின்னா ஒரு கப்பலோ இல்லை போட்டுக்கு கீழே அந்த தண்ணிக்குள்ளார என்னென்ன இருக்குன்னு நம்மளால ஒரு அளவு டிடெக்ட் பண்ண முடியும். ஸோ இது எப்படி வேலை செய்யுது நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். வி மஸ்ட் யூஸ் அல்ட்ரா சவுண்ட். சாதாரண சவுண்ட் வேவ் கிடையாது, அல்ட்ரா சவுண்ட் தான் பாய்க்கணும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இங்கே வந்து ஒரு டிரான்ஸ்மிட்டர் இருக்காங்க. ஓகே, ரெண்டு அலர்ட் இருக்கும். Satu dia adalah transmitter, lagi satu adalah receiver. Okay, transmitter ni akan it will produce a wave, sound wave like that. It will continuously go through because we use ultrasound what? Very high frequency. So it can go until it touch the dasar laut and the seabed also it can touch. Okay. So when it touch something, okay, and then the sound wave will be reflected. Okay, reflected sampai dekat receiver. Dia akan ambil masa berapa lama dia sampai, how long it take to get back the echoes. So by the calculation they can agak-agak ready in how many depth they found something. So they can find they actually can measure the depth of the sea and also can detect detect the object under the water. Okay, under the water என்ன இருக்கு, எவ்வளவு டிஸ்டன்ஸ்ல இருக்கு, அதெல்லாம் நம்மளால பார்க்க முடியும். Okay, so anyway, the question was explain how sonar is applied based on the picture above. As I told you lah. Okay, as I told you. So how sonar is applied based on the picture above. Okay, use a transmitter. A transmitter is used to produce ultrasound and directed to the area below the water. எப்படி சொல்றது, kawasan bawah tanah, bawah air. A transmitter is used to produce ultrasound and directed towards the sea. Towards sea. Okay. Ultrasound will hit an object and reflected back, comma, detected by receiver. Okay, so that's how we can actually use this sonar. A transmitter is used to produce ultrasound and direct towards the sea. Ultrasound will hit an object and reflect back, detected by receiver. So the we can detect object under the water using this technology. Because I don't know எந்த ரெண்டு பாயிண்ட் வந்து அவங்க எடுப்பாங்கன்னு. ஸோ எனக்கு பிடிச்ச பெஸ்ட் 3 points I just point out here lah, using this technology. This one.
Done,
Done.
sir.
Okay, good. Next, how did a bat apply ultrasound reflection on its survival? பேட் கிளாவார் எப்படி பயன்படுத்தினா ரெண்டு விஷயம். ஒன்று வந்து நேவிகேஷன். அது பேட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அந்த இருட்டில் அதால் ஒரு இடத்துலையும் மோதாமல் அதனால் போக முடியும். குவாலாம் பாருங்கள் எவ்வளோ கல் குச்சிலாம் இருக்கும். ஆனால் அதில் ஒன்று கூட படாது. ஏன்னா அது வந்து அதுக்கிட்ட இருக்கிற அல்ட்ராசவுண்ட் பயன்படுத்தி இந்த இடத்துல இவ்வளோ சவுண்டு வருது வச்சு கண்டுபிடிச்சிரும். ஓ, இந்த இடத்துல தியாங் இருக்குது, இந்த இடத்துல ஆப்ஸ்டக்கிள்ஸ் இருக்குது, லைக் தட். ஓகே, ஸோ நேவிகேஷன் பர்பஸ். அண்ட் சம்டைம்ஸ் இட் ஆல்சோ நோ எந்த இடத்துல பூச்சி இருக்கு அதுங்க போடுற சத்தத்தை வச்சு அல்ட்ராசவுண்ட் வச்சு டிடெக்ட் பண்ணி இட் கேன் சாரி மங்சாடியால டிடெக்ட் இட்ஸ் ஸ்ப்ரேலா. ஓகே, நேவிகேஷன் பர்பஸ் ஆல்சோ டு டிடெக்ட் the position of prey, kedudukan mangsa. Okay, navigation purpose and to detect the position of prey, P-R-E-Y. Okay, moving on to that final question set. All right. Ayo, funny. Okay, picture show a household electric water pump. The pump is placed in a confined bilik tertutup macam tu lah. The pump is placed in a confined concrete room and produce a lot of noise when it is switched on. So இது ஆன் பண்ணாக்கா சத்தம் கொடுத்துக்கிட்டே இருக்கு. You are asked to solve the noise problem. Okay, noise நம்ம குறைக்கணும்னா அந்த சுத்தி என்ன பண்ணணும், சுத்தி வந்து sound absorber வைக்கணும். Sound absorber, the soft surfaces, soft and smooth surfaces வைக்கணும். Because soft and smooth surfaces can soft and அந்த மாதிரி சர்ஃபேஸ்லாம் வந்து என்ன பண்ணும், அப்சார்ப் பண்ணும் சவுண்டை. ஓகே, ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் they give you what egg, what they put egg only. Apa kita cakap dalam bahasa Inggeris? Egg trays, egg trays. Okay, draw your new design room using the material in order to reduce the noise produced. Explain the reason behind your design. Okay, this is your room. Jadi apa kita buat? Kita lekat kat mana? Okay, we can paste on its wall lah. But how to draw? Just draw lah. Okay, இங்க என்ன பண்ணுங்க, அது இது ஒட்டுற மாதிரி அழகா வரைங்க. Okay, for example lah, the trays lah, just divide into a few compartments. Same here. Okay, so these are the egg trays. Okay, so drawing one mark. You also can draw here all lah. Can draw everywhere. Okay, although in the real life you won't do that. Okay, first வந்து நம்ம சொல்லணும் அவங்க என்னென்ன பொருள் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. A glue and a tray, right? Okay, first glue வந்து used to paste the egg trays on the walls. Then you explain why you do that. Okay, glue is used to paste the egg trays on the wall. Okay, so egg trays is a soft surface which can absorb the noise produced by what? The what we call here? Electrical water pump. Produced by electrical water pump. Okay, that's your reason. So the noise can be reduced lah. Done?
Done, sir.
Okay. Now we done with model test paper 2. Let us move to model test paper 3. Okay. 1 minute. Let me upload it. Okay. So we have a paper here, model test paper. So let us do the section A first. Section A consists of 20 questions. You try to do the questions here. Okay, try not to take so much time. I will give around 10 to 13 minutes. Okay, so please complete it now.
Okay, sir.
All right. All right. Let us start discussion. Number one. Okay, now you need to read and tell me the answer. Okay, number one, Samira.
Which of the following is a function of red blood cells?
Hmm.
D. Transport oxygen and carbon dioxide throughout the body.
Yes, very good. Banyak orang ingat red blood cell is just for transport oxygen only. No, it is also carry the carbon dioxide away, right? In the form of carbaminohemoglobin. Carbaminoglobin. Okay, you already learned that in your respiration topic. Yeah, correct. So absorbing oxygen from the atmosphere in the body, tak kena mengena. Removing excess carbon dioxide from the body. It's not excess carbon dioxide. Okay, regulating body temperature. None of these function of red blood cell. Okay, question number 2, Vaishnavi.
Yes, sir. Diagram 1 shows a girl shivering. Which of the following will not increase the body temperature of the girl wearing a
Hmm.
sweater?
Wearing a sweater. Wearing a sweater will make us warmer, right, Vaishnavi? Vaishnavi, what's wrong with her?
Sorry, sir.
No, focus here, Vaishnavi. This is happening too frequent. Huh? When she wearing a sweater, does she feel warm or
Sorry,
not?
sir. My grandmother, that's why.
Okay.
Okay, tell sir.
Sweater போடும்போது உடம்பு சூடாகுமா ஆகாதா?
Ah.
That's what they asking. They asking which one
Oh, will
cannot.
not increase.
Mm.
Sitting under a moving fan, sir.
Yeah, sitting under a moving fan will worsen the situation. This all will increase the temperature. Okay, increase the temperature. Okay, yeah, this one will make her more shivering. Okay, number three. Number three. Yes, Samira.
What is the main function of prostate gland? D. It produces fluid and protects sperm cells.
Yes, it produces a fluid that protects the sperm cell. Okay, we call it as it. Uh, we have also a seminal vesicle. The one will provide nutrient. This one will provide the. It produce a fluid. It's not actually to protect really. It is to activate the movement. Activate the movement of sperm cell. Kalau dia kena benda ni baru sperm tu akan aktif bergerak. Kalau tak dia tak akan bergerak. It's not actively swimming. Okay, to activate the movement of sperm. Okay, produce a fluid that activate the movement of sperm. Okay, that's the main function. Number 4, Vaishnavi.
Yes, sir. Which of the following diagram represent a mixture? C, sir.
Yeah, C. Okay, we can see. If they tell a mixture, that means they combine physically, not chemically. Combine physically. Okay, kalau dia tersusun atur macam ni, this is element. You see one atom and then we have a different type of atom and they combine like this. This is combined chemically. Kalau dia rapat maksudnya combined chemically. Jadi ini adalah compound. Okay, this one I think it is an element. Tersusun rapat, only one type of atom. This one you can see this is different atom, this is different atom. Some of them this consider different atom, and they are not joining, touch each other. There is a gap between them. That means this is mixture. Okay, number 5.
Which of the following instrument does not apply the reflection of light to function? D. Telescope.
Why you choose telescope?
Because periscope are used for submarine, uh, and then kaleidoscope like bermainan, and then mirror we can see our face and mirror through reflection. A
Okay,
telescope is used to see far object like planets or
yeah,
star like
correct,
that.
correct. இதுல என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்கன்னா does not apply the reflection. Kalau yang ni bukan reflection, apa yang dia apply? Refraction. It apply refraction of light, not reflection. Yang lain, yang tiga-tiga ni adalah reflection. Must remember. Okay, good. Number 6. Number 6.
Yes, sir.
Come, Vaishnavi.
The information below describe three types of plants X, Y, and Z.
Hmm.
X have flowers, real stems, leaves, and root. Y have simple stem and tiny leaves but no true roots. Z have cones to produce seed.
Hmm.
D donkey, sir.
Donkey. Okay, check பண்ணலாம். Cone இருக்குன்னா conifer tree lah confirm. Yang lain semua tak boleh. Jadi, ni mesti conifer. Ni salah. Okay, lepas tu Y. Have simple stem and tiny leaf but no true root. Yang mana tak ada root. Okay, Y conifer ada root. Okay, kelapa sawit ada root. Jadi ni tak boleh. Lumut tak ada akar. Okay, moss we don't have root. Okay, so yeah, the answer is donkey. X have real stem, leaf and root. Yeah. Number 7. 1 minute, guys. I attend a call. Hello. Okay, guys. Where are we? Yeah. Number 6 is donkey. Number 7.
What is the type of interaction shown by the two animals? D. Commensalism.
Yeah, this is commensalism. This barnacle, it just get a free protection and free ride from the crab, but crab does not enjoy any benefit from these barnacles. So it's just a commensalism. Okay, in my opinion. Okay. Yeah, commensalism. Remember, one fellow get benefit, another fellow left unharmed. Okay, tak ada apa-apa mendapat. It neither getting the benefit nor the uh, any negative effects. Okay, question or harm lah. Okay, 8. Vaishnavi.
Diagram 3 shows a food pyramid guide. Which group of food may cause diabetes if taken excessively? W, sir.
W, yes, மேலே தான் வந்து sugary fruitsலாம் இருக்கும். Sugary fruits sugary substance all in W. What is at Z? Vaishnavi.
Sir, oily thing also.
Z.
Z, Z is fish, chicken,
Fish
that kind
ingalla.
of chicken.
It's on carbohydrates only.
You asking why, sir?
Z.
Z, Z is me rice.
Carbohydrates lah.
Yeah.
So here we have protein
Protein like the what?
and then dairy products, correct or not?
Yeah, milk.
Milk, cheese, அதெல்லாம் வரும்,
The
and
milk.
protein here. And this one is the sugar, oil, excuse me, sugary things. So W is the answer, correct? Number 9.
Which of the following is an example of infectious disease? D. Tuberculosis.
Yeah, tuberculosis is spread by the air. The others all is not infectious. It is depends on your lifestyle and genetic factor. Okay, 10. Vaishnavi.
Sorry, sir. Which of the following shows the correct electrons which produce hydrogen and oxygen during electrolysis of water? Um, wait a second. B, sir.
Boy.
Hmm.
Okay, yeah, correct. Remember, your anode akan menghasilkan oksigen. And if you follow my form 2, then you know. Okay, I normally ask you to hafal the vowels here. Anode, oxygen, and cathode for hydrogen. For consonant lah. Okay, consonant gabung dengan consonant. Okay, yeah, the answer is boy. Agreed. 11.
Diagram 4 show the right hand grip rule. What does the direction of the curve of the fingers represent? Direction of the magnetic field. C.
Direction of magnetic field is correct answer. I want to ask you, what is the thumb represent?
South North Pole.
Yeah, North Pole. It represents the North Pole. Okay. ஆக்சுவலி இல்லை, வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. அது வந்து நம்ம சொலனாய்டில் வந்து இது கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு இப்போ லைக் இது வந்து we know that direction of magnetic field. இது வந்து direction of current. Sorry, my bad. Direction of current. Current maksudnya naik atas macam ni. This one direction of current, this one direction of magnetic field. Okay. Alright. Next question, 12. Vaishnavi.
Yes, sir. Lena wants to convert 45 kg into Newton. Which of the following above the calculation is true? C.
C. No. kg, you want to go to Newton, just multiply 10. Boy,
Okay.
13. 13.
Ali has two spanners of the same size P and Q, but P has a longer handle compared to Q. If held at the end of the handle, which spanner is more effective in loosening a nut? Why? A. P. Because it has a larger moment.
Larger moment. Okay. Which spanner is more effective? Okay. Let's see. Let's say we have a say Ali has a two spanner size, same size, but P has a longer hand. Uh, P is longer hand. Q dia smaller saja, shorter lah. So which one is easier to loosening the nut? Of course P. Okay, because let's say this is the pivot point. Okay, so your moment formula dia adalah force times your distance, perpendicular distance. So here your distance increase, that means your force decrease. When your force decrease, your moment increase. So yeah, moment dia besar. So moment dia besar maksudnya dia dapat buka nut tu lebih besar lah. Okay, so jawapan dia adalah A. Okay, I agree with the answer. Okay, question 14.
Yes, sir. What should be done to the empty room as shown in diagram 5 if Alice wants to turn it into a personal home studio?
Hmm.
Paint the room with a dark color to absorb sound. Sorry, sir. A.
Paint the room with a dark color to absorb sound. Color got relevant with the absorption of sound? No. Cover the floor with the thick carpet to reduce the sound reflection. Yes. That's what you need to do. Okay, just told you what. Okay, we need to cover with the soft and rough material. Soft and rough material. Okay, smooth and hard material will reflect the sound. Soft and rough material will absorb the sound. Okay, kena tahu perbezaan dia. Okay, smooth but rough. Okay, smooth ni maksudnya licin. Smooth but hard. Rough but rough and soft. Like carpet. Ni absorber. This one reflector. Must know the difference. Okay, smooth and hard surface is a good reflector. Rough but soft is a good sound absorber. Okay, question 15.
Which of the following represents the array of the stars in descending order of size? C. Z, X, V, Y, W.
Okay, dia tanya descending order of the size. Descending order of the size. Okay, yang paling besar, yes, supergiant. I agree with that. Okay, yang paling kecil di sini adalah neutron star. Neutron star yang paling kecil. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Lepas tu, sebelum supergiant, it must be a giant star. And then maybe giant star is, of course, larger than the sun. Followed by sun and then white dwarf lah. White dwarf. And finally, the smallest is neutron star. Yeah, I agree with the answer C. Okay. 16.
A patient suffering from emphysema finds it difficult to breathe after climbing the stairs. Which of the following parts of the respiratory system is damaged as a result of the disease? Alveoli, sir.
Yeah. Emphysema ni dia bahagian emphysema ni bahagian alveolus dia yang ada ni cacat sikit lah. Okay, emphysema is due to the alveolus problem lah. So, which of the following part of the respiratory system damage as a result of this disease? So, alveoli, correct. Number 17.
17. The table below shows the description of blood vessels P and Q. P carries the oxygenated blood to the heart and has a valve. Q carries the oxygenated blood from the heart and has a valve.
Hmm.
Answer C. Vena cava pulmonary artery.
Vena cava and pulmonary artery. Okay, let's check. Paklam. Okay, so we have artery. Okay, let us recall a little bit things here. Artery and vein. Artery A, nampak A, oxygenated blood. It carry oxygenated blood, okay, away from the heart. Away from the heart. Okay, this one true except for pulmonary artery. Kalau vein maksudnya, okay, you need to understand first what is artery. Artery is the blood vessel bring blood away from the heart. Yang except pulmonary artery ni, it is actually referring to the blood. Okay, wait, I rephrase it. Okay, how to easily understand artery and vein? Artery function dia adalah carry blood. What type of blood later on lah? Artery ni carry away from the heart. Okay, so artery away from the heart, and what type of blood? A jadi vowel je, oxygenated blood, except pulmonary artery. Tapi pulmonary artery dia darah saja berbeza, dia punya direction away from the heart. Kalau vein towards heart, dia membawa masuk darah ke dalam jantung. It carries the blood towards the heart. Okay, it carry what kind of blood? Deoxygenated blood. Okay, deoxygenated blood except one guy, pulmonary vein. Dia tak. Normally the pulmonary artery vein carry different type of blood. Okay, now carry deoxygenated blood to the heart. Kalau dia dah cakap to the heart, ini mesti vein. Vein kita ada dua jenis, pulmonary vein ataupun vena cava. Okay, vein generally carries deoxygenated blood except pulmonary vein. So pulmonary vein carry oxygenated blood. So maksudnya pulmonary vein we can cross here. Okay, easy. Next, carries deoxygenated blood from the heart. That means heart விட்டு வெளியாகுது, away from the heart. So this one definitely referring to artery. Kita ada dua jenis artery, pulmonary artery and also aorta. Okay, artery normally oxygenated blood, except for pulmonary artery dia carry deoxygenated. Di sini dia memang cakap tentang deoxygenated, maksudnya aorta ni out. Maksudnya jawapan dia adalah vena cava dengan pulmonary artery. Yes. See? Very clear. When you understand the thing, any question they try to confuse us, it won't succeed. Okay, we will eventually get the correct answer. 18.
What happens when metal sulfides are heated? So these are not confirmed, but I answer, sir. Metal and sulfuric acid are formed.
Metal and sulfuric acid kah?
That one or the D, sir? I confused with that thing only. A or D?
சரி பார்க்கலாம். Metal sulfide. Okay, metal sulfide. Okay, kalau kita panaskan. Okay, dia akan jadi metal oxide plus sulfide. Yang ni tak ada dalam syllabus code. Okay, I go for C. Why I can do? Because I teach chemistry also. So I know lah for sure. Okay, so jawapan dia C lah. This is like a Dia ada satu sulfide saja in your form 3 syllabus. Wait, let me recall. It's the galena. Galena is the platinum sulfide. Platinum sulfide dia akan terurai kepada platinum oxide and sulfide. Yeah, I think from that reference you can guess the answer. Very, very slightly related only with your syllabus. Okay. But anyway, it is still inside your syllabus. Okay, 19.
Which of the following is an endothermic reaction? D. Dissolving sodium hydroxide in water.
Dissolving sodium hydroxide in water. No. Endothermic is what? Endothermic is absorb heat. Okay. So kita tengok we have solid, we have liquid, we have gas. Okay, solid pergi ke liquid, liquid pergi ke gas. Okay, solid pergi ke liquid is melting. Liquid pergi ke gas is evaporation or boiling. Gas pergi ke liquid, condensation. Liquid pergi ke solid is freezing. Okay. So, remember solid pergi ke liquid, liquid pergi ke gas. This one all absorb heat. Gas pergi ke liquid, liquid pergi ke solid. That is condensation, freezing, release heat. So, this one means release, it means exo. Absorb here, endo. So, boiling. Boiling is endothermic. 19A. Burning, anything burning, cooking, all exo. Remember that. Reaction with zinc and water, it's exo. Dissolving sodium hydroxide in water, exo. Okay, this one all release heat. Boiling of water will absorb heat. We can use this formula. Okay, 20. Final question.
Yes, sir. Diagram 7 shows the penetrating power of the three types of radioactive radiation. What type of radiation are X, Y, and Z? Paper sheet, aluminum plate, lead plate, alpha ray, beta ray, gamma ray. A.
A. Okay. A வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா அது பிளேட் அலுமினியம் வரைக்கும் நிப்பாட்டுது. அப்பனா A X தான் பேட்டாவா இருக்கணும். Y வந்து மூணையும் tembus பண்ணிட்டு போகுது. Tabli tembus lead lah. Maksudnya yang ni yang gamma. Z பாருங்க ஒரு helai kertasல நிப்பாட்டிட்டோம். Alpha lah. So beta, gamma, alpha. Jawapan dia adalah C. Okay. Quite good question this time. Alright. So we already completed the 20 question. Maybe next week we will continue this lah. The final class of form 2 I think. Form 3. Okay, because bulan 3 kita akan masuk form 4 one So be prepared with that. Okay. So yeah, I end the class here. See
Okay.
you guys on
Thank you, sir. Bye.
upcoming class. Yeah. Bye. Take care.